If you are over 60 and wake up with a stiff, aching back, these 3 simple habits may help you feel relief in as little as 7 days. If you do not know them, you could be locking yourself into years of avoidable pain and expensive treatments. Many seniors change just a few daily movements and suddenly notice they can stand, walk, and even sleep with far less discomfort. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to stop doing to your back each morning, what to change in your chair and bed setup, and one gentle daily routine that may help calm your back in under 10 minutes a day. You will also see how small mistakes around sitting and bending can quietly strain your spine week after week. You roll out of bed, your lower back grabs, and it can take 20 to 30 minutes before you can move properly. Many people over 60 think this is just getting old, but often it is years of tiny daily strains building up. If you are reaching for pain pills most mornings just to get going, your body might be warning you about how you are sleeping and how you stand up. Long days in a soft couch or low chair can quietly add hours of pressure to your lower back every single day. If you sit for more than 2 to 3 hours without moving much, your back muscles can tighten and your spine can feel jammed when you finally stand up. Many seniors notice the worst pain after watching TV, reading, or using the computer, not while they are actually moving. Here's where it gets really important. How you get out of bed may be either protecting or hurting your back every single morning. Instead of sitting straight up and twisting, many people over 60 find it easier on their back to roll onto their side, drop their legs over the edge, and push up with their arms like getting out of a pool. If your hips sit lower than your knees, your lower back is often forced into a slumped position that can increase strain. Many seniors feel better when they raise their seat by just a few inches with a firm cushion and keep their feet flat, about shoulder width apart. A short, gentle back routine may help more than occasional hard workouts that leave you sore. Many people over 60 find that 8 to 10 minutes of easy movements like pelvic tilts while lying down, bringing knees gently toward the chest, and slow cat-cow motions on hands and knees can loosen the spine without overworking it. Quick question for you: when is your back pain usually the worst, first thing in the morning, after sitting, or at night in bed? Type your answer in the comments because that timing can give big clues about which habit you should start with. Many people discover that just matching the right habit to their worst pain time makes a big difference in a few days. Many seniors report that after a week of changing how they get out of bed and breaking up long sitting, their back pain eases from a strong 8 down to a more manageable 4. Some find that by the 2nd or 3rd week, they can stand at the sink, walk in the store, or garden for 15 to 20 minutes longer before their back complains. Here is your simple plan. Tonight, adjust where and how you sit so your hips are level with or slightly above your knees, and set a reminder to stand up every 30 to 40 minutes. Tomorrow morning, try the side roll method to get out of bed and give yourself just 8 to 10 minutes for gentle back movements before you start your day.